It's now 3 months since the first floodwaters hit the north of Pakistan. The situation now is that the floodwaters have moved down the River Indus and most of it has now reached the Arabian Sea. So up in the north where the floodwaters have receded, a lot of the families have now returned home and are starting to try and rebuild their lives and livelihoods. Further south in Sindh though, a lot of the floodwaters are still remaining. There are still millions of displaced people. We're hoping quite soon they will also be able to return home, but it's still a very difficult situation. In the last 3 months, Save the Children's managed to reach 1.5 million children and their families. We've managed to give assistance in terms of food to nearly 1 million people. We have health teams working on the ground throughout Pakistan. And we've managed to reach 200,000 children and their families with simple consultations, primary health care. We also have big distributions of shelter materials such as plastic sheeting so that people can get some shelter from the elements. And education programming focusing on rebuilding schools and delivering education materials back to children so they can resume their learning. The main concerns right now are several. Up in the north, the winter season is approaching quickly. Many families have lost their homes. So they'll be exposed to the elements. It gets extremely cold in the north of Pakistan, sub-zero temperatures, lots of snow. So we need to ensure that they get back into safe shelters as quickly as possible. Further south, where the floodwaters still remain, there's a lot of stagnant water, which is leading to breeding of mosquitoes, and therefore we're very concerned about malaria. Also, diarrhea levels among children are still extremely high. So we need to make sure that we're trying to prevent these things happening through distribution of mosquito nets and provision of clean water, but also ensuring when children do get sick that they have quick access to good health care. On behalf of the whole Save the Children Pakistan programme, I'd like to say a big thank you to all the supporters. The hard work that you're putting in raising money is making a difference.